In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp chat button in Clickfunnel Classic. We're going to walk through this step by step so you can follow along inside your own Clickfunnels account. By the end, you'll have a button on your page that, when someone clicks it, opens up a WhatsApp chat directly with you or your business. First, open the sales page you want to work on inside the Clickfunnels editor. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're on the exact section and row where you want the WhatsApp button to appear. It's usually a good idea to place this near your main call to action or somewhere that's clearly visible, like near the top of the page or just above the footer. Once you're in the right spot, look for the orange Add Element button in that row. Click it and a panel will slide out showing different types of elements you can add. From there, locate the form category. Inside that category, find and select the regular button element. This will drop a new button onto your page. Click directly on that button to open its settings on the left-hand side of the editor. Now let's configure what the button says. In the settings panel, look for the section called Button Config and click on Edit. This will allow you to change the button text. Type in something clear and inviting, like Chat with us on WhatsApp or Message us on WhatsApp. The wording should make it obvious that clicking the button will open a WhatsApp chat. Once you're happy with the text, click Update to save those changes. Next, we need to tell the button what to actually do when someone clicks it. Stay in the button settings and scroll down until you find the button action section. This controls the behavior of the button. Set the action to Go To. After that, choose Custom URL as the destination type. In the URL field that appears, you'll enter your WhatsApp link. The basic format looks like this: HTTPS, WAE, followed by your full phone number with country code and no plus signs, spaces, or special characters. For example, if you see a placeholder number in that format, replace it with your own number. Double-check that you've entered it correctly because any typos here will break the link. Once that's done, save your page and preview it. Click the button to test it. If everything is set up correctly, it should open WhatsApp and start a chat with the number you configured.